Hi everyone, and welcome to day 6 of your 7-day core challenge. I'm really excited to be working out with you for this many days in a row. And so let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully you're feeling strong and ready for this workout. All right, we're gonna start in high plank, top of a push-up. So step back into plank and hold. Good, plank up downs, right, left. Now the upper body gets involved during plank up downs. But what's nice about this is that your core stabilization is also definitely happening, okay? So up, down, up, down. Good job. Now from here, let's do one more on the right, one more on the left. So down, down, up, and then down, down, up. Good, nice and strong there. Go ahead and lower down to your stomachs. Good, untuck your toes. Now what I want you to do here is reach your arms forward, forehead down. So we've been working on using the back muscles, all right? So we're gonna use them again here. So you're gonna lift, lower, alternate, lift, lower. Good, up, down, lift, lower. Nice, lift, lower. Let's do 4, down, 3, down, 2, down, 1, and 1. Good. Now, from there, you're going to come to your forearms. You're going to press into the top of your feet, and you're going to very slowly pull your tailbone up, okay? Looks like this. Up, and then down. So if that hurts your feet, you can tuck your toes the other way, but I encourage you to lift up, good, and down. Lift up, and down. So you'll feel the stomach lift you up and bring you back down. Good, let's do 8, lower, 7, maybe you hover, 6, hover, 5, hover, 4, hover, 3, hover if you can, 2, hover, 1 more. Good, and lower. Whew, nice job, guys. Press on up. Let's flip over onto our backs for the first time today. And then exhale, lay flat. Good, double crunch up, double crunch down. Hands behind your head, so it's 1, up, down, up, down. So now you're learning how to control your core as you go up and down. So it's crunch, lower, how many? Crunch, lower. Let's do 3 more. Up, down, 1, up, down, 2. Last time, up, down, 3. Just came in from a walk, but I guess that wasn't enough attention for today. Legs in the air for me. Heels together, toes apart. Good. Now, using these leg lifts, you're gonna come down slow. You're gonna pull your knees and knees go wide. Exhale, curl up and down. 2-part movement. So up, toes out, lower down, pull it in, booty up, down, legs up. Good, toes turn out. Exhale, slowly come in. Good, up, down, sky. 4 more, lower. Yes. Pull it in, curl the tailbone up, down, press it up. Good, lower down slow, pull it in, slow, curl it up, push. Last one, lower down slow, pull it in, slow, curl your tailbone up, press. Good, now, knees at 90, hands on thighs. You're gonna create your own tension by pushing and pulling. So this is really easy if you don't do it right, and it's super hard if you do it right, okay? So push into those hands, pull your thighs back into your hands, and then let your core start to shake for 5. Come on, shake, 4, shake for 3, 2, 1. Now push one leg forward, shake, 4, 3, 2, switch legs, shake. Come on, shake, 4, 3, 2, switch legs, shake. Yes, this is hard. Good. 3, 2, last switch and hold. 4, come on, 3, shake, 2, and 1. Hug it in, guys. Way to go. That's definitely hard, all right? So way to work. All right, splits. So legs in the air, arms in the air. Now, in the very beginning, you worked with single leg, okay, and single arm, which were your versions that we call dead bug. But now the split versions, you're gonna lower everything and then bring it all back up. Good, lower everything and bring it all back up. Control, good, 8, up. If this hurts your knees, 7, up. Excuse me, not your knees, your back. You'll bend your knees. Good, up. You've got 4, come on. Good, 3, stay strong. 2, how's that core? You have 1 more rep and bring it up. Good, now we have hollow hold. So legs long, arms long over the head. A hollow hold is where you hollow out that stomach, so you pull your stomach down and in, okay? And then as you hover there, you start to feel your work. So 3, 2, tuck the chin, hover. 4, 3, 2, rest. Whew, let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, and go. Hover. 4, 3, 2, rest. How about we go for 8? Ready, set, hollow hold. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Let's flip over and we're gonna do that same movement, but on our stomachs, okay? So flat on your stomach here for me. Extend your arms forward. Forehead down, hover. 4, 3, 2, rest. Good, ready, set, go. Hover. 4, 3, 2, rest. Nice job. One more time. Hover for 8, 7, 6, 5. We're gonna turn it into a swim in 3, 2, 1. We swim. 8, 7, swim. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hold, and lower. Good job. Hands and knees for me, guys. Last few exercises right here, okay? Extend your legs back to plank. Top of that push-up for me. Nice, strong hold here. I want you to take your right leg. You're gonna tap it over your left and then pull your knee in. So it's hover, tap, squeeze. Hover, tap, squeeze. 4 more. Hover, tap, 1. Hover, tap, 2. Hover, tap, 3. Hover, tap, side 2. Let's go. Hover, tap, squeeze, go back. Hover, tap, squeeze, hold, hover, tap, squeeze. 4 more. Hover, tap, squeeze, bring it back. Hover, tap, squeeze. Last 2. Come on. Hover, tap, squeeze. 1 more. Hover, tap, squeeze, plank, hold. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Way to go, guys. That was day 7. Day 6. You've done such an awesome job so far. We have 1 more day to go. So awesome job of making it through 6 full days of this challenge. Maybe hit replay, do this again. You killed it, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 7. Thanks, guys.